Why call my show if you know all the answers?
Opinion ko po yun. Ang tinatanong ko po sa inyo is kung ang tao yun ay magbabago.
I
Yun
don't
po ang inaano
know.
ko.
Do you think I can answer that? If I don't know him, and even if I know him, I will not answer for him.
From a guy points of view po. Yun
Is it
lang po ang
fair
ano
for
ko.
me to tell you, Edna?
Sorry?
Is it fair just give me a yes or no here, okay? Is it fair for me na sabihin sa'yo na
No.
hindi kaya I'm not yet done.
Okay.
Is it fair for me na sabihin sa'yo na hindi kaya iniiwan ka niya kasi ganyan ka?
Ganyan ka? What do you mean ganyan ka?
Your attitude right now.
I don't know. Kasi ang...
Do you know how to submit?
I will submit.
Do you know how to submit?
Yeah, I will submit to somebody who respects me in return. Hindi naman po pwede yun na sasubmit ko ang sarili ko sa'yo and you will make me your slave. Love is a two-way. Love is respecting each other. Hindi lang naman po yung mamahalin mo siya unconditionally pero binabastos ka niya,
Edna?
ginagago ka niya. Hindi
Edna?
po tama
Edna?
yun. Yeah.
Do you believe that loving someone is give and take?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't.
Oy.
Ask me why.
Why?
Because I have a boss before who told me once I was alone. And it made the mark sa buhay ko. And I apply this every single day with my girlfriend right now. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That loving someone is not give and take.
Give and give?
It's a give and give process. Because if you say na give and take yan, it's required for you to take something when you give. And that's not love. That's negotiation. And right now, Edna, you are negotiating to have a father of your kid.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want belongingness.
Naku, I don't wanna belong naman po siguro to somebody na who will not respect me as a person. Nasabi niyo, love him unconditionally. Kung anong gusto niya, the way he wants things, oo na lang ako ng oo, although it's hurting me already. Hindi naman po siguro tama yun.
Are you respectable?
I am?
How come you can answer for yourself? Other people can answer that for you.
You asked me, that's my opinion of myself.
You're so sure. Maybe sa mundong ito walang deserving sa'yo. You're too much for everyone.
Stop so.
What's wrong with you, Edna?
Kasi tinatanong nyo, are you respectable? The other question would be, hindi ka ba dapat igalang? Parang ganon, kung kabaliktaran nun. So, pag...
No. Kagalang-galang ka ba?
Bakit hindi?
You wanna be respected.
I wanna be respected.
Okay. Are you giving enough reason for this guy to respect you?
I am giving him reasons.
How can you answer for him?
Kasi po, kahit ilang beses niya na ako sinaktan, I've always given him like, hindi lang siguro third, fourth
Ang
time
pagpapatawad, Edna, ay hindi sinyalis ng kabutihang loob alone.
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy with your life right now?
Happy in a way, I'm happy with the kids, but I could not say that I'm completely happy.
Yun ang problema. Edna, I'm sorry, I'm trying to hurt you.
No, it's alright.
I'm trying to touch something soft in you.
Sige nga po, figure out natin together.
Because you're just too tough.
I might be tough on myself as well, you know.
Yeah, loving someone is surrendering yourself.
Hindi ko po kaya, sir, na
Stop!
i-surrender, sorry.
Stop.
Okay.
I want you to listen.
Okay.
This is the guy's point of view. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Is surrendering yourself to that person. And you don't count how many times this person hurts you. You don't count. Because if somebody loves you, that person will always hurt you. Good-mannered or bad-mannered, that person will hurt you. Alam mo kung bakit?
Mm-hmm.
Kasi that person most of all, that person, sa lahat ng tao na kapaligid sa'yo, yung tao niyan, sa kanya ka mostly affected.
Tama po.
You will be hurt kahit anong gawin niya. But if you love someone, you have this faith in you. Now you can tell yourself every time you're crying, one day, this person that makes me cry right now will be the same person who can appreciate me. And that's faith. Loving someone is not binded with contract, deed of sale. Walang ganun dyan. Walang resibo. You just believe that this will happen. It's just so unfair, not even for him, but for you to ask kung magbabago siya. And I strongly believe, if you believe wholeheartedly na magbabago siya, he will. Because he can sense it. You don't want to surrender. You want to have control. You want to define, di ba? And you want to have all the answers for all the questions that you have. Hindi ka na pagmamahalad na. When you love someone, you have so many questions, but you let time answer every question. Because it's only when you are with someone that you teach this someone to love you and respect you. You want to ask me? Kung from a guy's point of view, I will tell you now, I will not be with someone like you.
I can respect that.
You know why? I don't know if you will agree with this. But please,
Okay,
bumuntong hininga ka bago mo sagutin.
Okay.
Because you are more focused sa isang sagot mo na makasagot ka sa sinasabi ko kaysa sa laman ng sagot ko bago ka nakinig sa akin. You don't listen. You just wanna win the argument.
Hindi ko pa rin po talaga maintindihan ni.
Because you don't have an open heart, Edna.
Hindi po. What I don't understand and what the thing that you said na hindi po agreeable para sa akin is loving someone unconditionally kahit they are disrespecting you.
Loving someone, walang ifs, walang buts.
Okay, maybe you can love someone but you couldn't stay with them. Siguro you can love that someone from afar.
Edna kasi,
na lang.
pag sinabi mo na, I will love you, but you have to be this. You have to be that. That's not loving someone. Not even partnership, Edna. That's negotiation. That's a deal. That's a deal, Edna.
Di po ba dapat ang pagmamahal
It's
is
belongingness.
ang pagmamahal is respeto rin at the same time?
Respect, di ba, is earned. Respect is earned. I feel bad for you. I'm sorry. I respect you as a mom. I feel bad for you.
Specifically why?
Because you don't want to be loved.
Why did you say that?
You don't want to receive the love that's intended for you. I am not telling you, Edna, kasi you might be getting me wrong here. I'm not telling you na he's a good guy. Who am I to tell you that? I don't even know him. He's not a good guy. Okay, sige, fine. But you know, if you love someone unconditionally, kahit gaano kasama ang tao, you can change him.
So, i-tolerate na lang po lahat ng mistakes, lahat ng pananakit?
That's not tolerance, Edna. That's faith.
So, paano po yun? If he's hurting you, how would you deal with it?
No, Edna, hindi na siya ang issue ko ngayon because I know that wala siyang space sa puso mo. You just want a father to your kid. I'm worried here because you're 35. And soon enough, you will, di ba, maghahanap ka ng panibago. Di ba? And I don't want you to be like this again. You don't listen.
Baka hindi lang po tayo nagkakaintindihan.
Nagkakaintindihan tayo, Edna. It doesn't matter kasi kung sinong tama, kung sinong mali. It doesn't matter. What matters a lot is who can fix something. Loving someone is not a competition. O, ikaw ba tama? Siya ba mali? Siya ba mali? Ikaw ba tama? Sinaktan ka ba niya ng 10 times at ikaw 1 time mo lang sinaktan? And he owes you, no? Because it's always an adjustment day when you're with someone. this person cannot love you the way you want to be loved if you will not teach the person. If you don't surrender yourself. If you do not open up. If you don't let the person hurt you. May mga pagkakataon kasi na we only learn from mistakes. Huwag niyo sadyain. Di ba?
Ang hirap naman nun.
Wala na walang madaling pag-ibig. Kasi asawa ng pagmamahal ang pananakit.
Surrender, accept na lang ng accept.
There's something wrong with you.
Hindi, sabi mo, loving somebody is surrendering to that someone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because
So, kahit
it's
parang
only when that person, pag na-discover niya yung mga bagay na nakakapanakit sa'yo, nakakapagpayak sa'yo, yung mga kahinaan mo, that's when this person can take care of you.
Kahit inuulit-ulit niya na, the same thing.
You don't need someone. You can take care of yourself.
Ay, nako. Hindi niyo po kasi nakikita yung point ko. I'm just talking
Edna,
specifically.
I know. Nagbuntis ka, minahal mo siya, you were happy together, he's not with you. It's unfair, di ba? Tama, it's unfair? Because he's not with you, tama? Because he cannot take care of that child na kasama mo. Tama?
Yeah,
That's so unfair, tama?
it is.
I understand you completely. Completely, Edna. Naiintindihan kita ng buong-buo.
Kayo nga pong hindi ko maintindihan eh.
Because you're not listening.
I listen to you. Kasi sabi niyo lang, surrender to the person.
And you
Love
don't agree.
unconditionally.
And you don't agree. You define everything I tell you. You are a fault finder. Are you a boss in the company?
Hindi naman po.
Do you have a position?
Meron naman po.
That's true. See, pride is applied sa trabaho. At home, do not do that.
I don't do that at home po.
I don't see it.
I don't do that at home.
You asked someone to call me kanina. Yaya, dial mo nga si Papa Jack. Pagsagot ko sa kabilang line, hello? Ay, ate! Nakakontak na ako. Sir, teka lang po ha. Si Ate Edna po kakausap sa'yo. Tama?
Naman.
You asked...
Nagpapatulog pa ako na day.
No. My point is, you asked someone to call me. It is your intention to talk to me.
Yeah.
And I'm frustrated because you don't listen. You want to challenge me?
I don't want to challenge you.
Because I am not always right, Edna. I don't have the book of right and wrong. Tao lang ako.
Okay.
But you know, may isang bagay na natin pwedeng gawin sa mga sarili natin. Alam mo ano yun?
Ano po?
Payuhan ang sarili natin. And you are calling my show. If I have problems, I will call you. And I will ask for opinion because hindi ko kayang payuhan ang sarili ko. And you are calling my show. And you don't listen. This is just stupid.
I am listening.
You are hearing me out and you are not listening. I'm scared for you. Because you are gonna lose a lot of guys, throw away a lot of emotions because you don't listen.
Oh my goodness.
You don't listen. You don't listen. All you care about is that nasaktan ka, naiwanan ka, di ba? That's what you care about. You don't even wonder, ba't kaya niya ako iniwan? Have I done something wrong here? You don't stop for a moment and think.
I thought about that.
You have this bullet point sa utak mo na okay, bullet number 1 to 10. If you don't have this, I will not love you. That's what you have. Wala kang ililista pag may mahal ka. Dahil
I wish I could tell him that. Sana masabi ko rin po yan sa kanya. And I hope he would listen. Ay.
Edna, I want this to come from you. Anong masama mong ugali?
Anong masama akong ugali? Anong masama akong ugali? Ang masama ko pong ugali, pag sinasaktan ako, nananakit ako po